afternoon, Kathy, and thank you for inquiring about the 2015 Genesis Coupe. You were Pacific, so I picked up my personal favourite, the grey one. Let's look at it. For lovely LED wraparound lights, and lovely daytime running fog lights, for 19-inch wheels, the accents on the wing wheels, the keyless entry. So let me show you inside. The lovely six-speed manual transmission. The Blue Link, the leather seats, the voice activation on the steering wheel, the set 4.3-inch screen. So let me tell you more about our product. Here at Tameron we offer you 5 years, 60,000 miles new car warranty. We also give you 10 years, 100,000 miles powertrain, which we doubled to 20 years, 200,000 miles. We also give you 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. So please call me, Kathy, on 205 720 6581. My name's Mark Hodson, and I can't wait to take you through the car.